Hi, welcome. I'm Nicholas P., a senior designer from Weiken.com, Oxley branch. I'm pleased to share with you a newly renovated project. Generally, my owners are quite specific in their requirements. 1. They like to have a wide minimalist living hall. 2. My design concept has to be child-friendly. One of the biggest challenges we faced was a last-minute request from the owner to create an open concept kitchen. And upon hearing that, we have less than 2 weeks to come up with a new proposal plan and a HDB permit for the hacking down of the existing wall. And in all, we have achieved a modern dining table that's adjacent to this kitchen cabinet. Overall, the design expectation and timeline were met, and I will be pleased to show you more of my projects in the future.
Weiken.com, because